How would you feel if I told you that a very large percentage of people in the United States continue to subject themselves to possible contaminants and poisons on a daily basis without even knowing it? What if I told you that you may be ingesting some pretty nasty things like E. coli that have the potential for short-term as well cause greater harm in the long run?
Wow.
I'm not talking about undercooked meats, lack of hygiene, or some mystery disease going around. I'm talking about something you can find in any gas station, grocery store, or vending machine today in America.
Like what?
I'm talking about bottled water, people. Did you know that 22% of tested bottled water contains chemical contaminants at levels above the limits that your state sets? That's 1 in every 5 bottles. Did you know that water bottle companies don't legally have the right to provide the source of where they're getting their water from?
Wow, really?
If you're not surprised or even outraged about these facts, like I was when I first learned them, then ladies and gentlemen, I suggest that you sit down for the rest of this speech. Please have a seat, guys. Why do we need bottled water in the first place? It averages $10 a gallon. It costs 3 times the amount to produce the bottle than it does to actually fill it in to the top. It uses 17 million barrels of oil to produce a plastic for the bottle every year. 17 million barrels. I know within the current Gulf spill crisis, media talking heads oversaturating the market about the oil that it's hard to put this number in perspective. So I'll help you out a little bit.
Wow.
The amount of oil used to produce the bottles of water in 1 year would be enough to fuel 1 million cars for an entire year.
No way.
In the middle of this global energy crisis, surely there has to come some type of solution that all scientists and research academies have come up with.
There has to be.
Well, the fact of the matter is, some of these problems have already been addressed, but not completely solved. Believe it or not, tap water in 95% of the United States isn't equally or greater reliable than some bottled waters on the market today. But what does that mean exactly? Is tap water safe to drink or not? Well, according to research, several types of cancers can be attributed to the presence of toxic materials in drinking water. And according to the Environment Protection Agency, lead in drinking water contributes to 480,000 cases of learning disorders in children each year in the United States alone. So how can we guarantee we are drinking pure, clean, and safe water? There's only one solution. The only way to ensure pure, contaminant-free drinking water is through the use of a point-of-use filtration system.
What is that?
In layman's terms, you have to filter it after it comes out of a faucet, but before it fills your glass.
Oh.
Okay, and there are many types of filters that you can use that vary in sizes, filtration levels. This particular filter I'm holding is very easy to install. Retails for about $40 and includes a replacement filter. This replacement filter will run you around $5 at Walmart. It is granulated carbon filter that eliminates chlorine, lead, bad odor, funny taste, and colors that your water may be tainted with as it exits your local municipal facility. I personally have a specific filter installed in my kitchen sink, as you can see here. This other, more complex, high-capacity filter is a compacted carbon type and can filter up to 2,500 gallons. As you can see here, let me just hold it up to the camera. For a family of 4, this equates to a whole year use. It retails at about $89 and each filter is about $15. This is the replacement filter for this unit.
How do you connect it to the faucet?
It's very easy. It's actually just you can say it's a plug and play. Okay, you screw it on to the tip. Camera, please. And that's it. One easy step. If you travel, if you're going to weekend, family's friend's house, take it with you. Drink some safe water.
It's a good idea.
For a family of 4, like I was saying, this equates to a whole year's use. It retails about $89, and each filter is about $15, each replacement filter, which is one replacement a year. There are common brands such as Pure, Brita, Rain Soft that are available at many retailers for the prices I mentioned. So if you want to put an end to excess waste and take yourself as well as your family out of potential harm's way, I advise you to make a smart choice and purchase a point-of-use filtration system. By setting an example and also cutting back on bottled water, let's just cut back, people. Let's cut back on bottled water expenses during these trying economic times. You will encourage others to also follow suit while collectively leaving a smaller carbon footprint on your road to safe water. Think of the environment, think of your health, think of your loved ones. Think true clean water.